turn this into these. I am the Great British Chocolatier and you're watching Chocolate Plus. Okay, I decided to do the diamond ones. Exactly the same process. We're creating the shell of the mold. So let's speed this up. Okay, as you can see, I fill the chocolate all the way to the very top, and afterwards I tap the mold to take out all the air bubbles that are in the mold. So enjoy. Okay, and now the fun bit, which is dumping the chocolate out, pouring the chocolate out. Okay, the purpose of pushing it all off is that you create clean tops on the mold there, and I'm going to make sure that everything is all nice, there's no gaps or anything there, which is good. Okay, into the fridge, and the other ones are going to come out. Let's just clean this up. And this too will go into the fridge because we're going to use this again. Alright, so fold it up, go in the fridge. Okay, so we got our chocolate, we're going to make our heavy cream again, 3/4 of a cup to about 5 ounces of chocolate. We know it's 40 seconds in the microwave. If you want to boil things on the top, on the countertop, on the stove, you can. You want it just so that you want to get it just before it boils over. When it just starts to boil, this is going to be remelted and chocolate added for capping our chocolate. Okay, we've got the next mold ready to be done, and this batch is gonna be coffee. Well, that was a waste of time, wasn't it? Let me put 10 more seconds on the clock. I'm gonna add in, normally when I do flavors, I use the oils, the low-end oils, but I didn't see any at the store and it was too late for me to order online. I find the best place is Amazon if they don't have it in the store. But we're gonna add coffee to this. And regular instant coffee, this is Maxwell House, is what we use. I'm just gonna put a tablespoon and a bit, maybe a bit more. That's a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. And just mix it in. It may need another teaspoon. So that's mixed in. That's nice and hot. This goes in here. And you just sit and wait. So I'll speed. I'll come back in about 5 minutes. We're going to give it a stir, pour it in the piping bag. By that time the other mold will be done, and then we'll be ready to pour in our ganache. So it's exciting, don't go away! I tell you, it smells very coffee, which is good. And as you also see, the spilt a little bit, but as soon as all the cream is melted into the chocolate, you won't see any of those different colors, streaks in the chocolate. All right. And then after that's done, we simply pour it into our piping bag, like so. And that is your coffee ganache. Let me mop this up and I'll get the diamond shells out. Be right back. Okay, so here's our mold, nicely set. This is our coffee ganache, and again we're just going to cut just a tiny bit off the top because we want to control the flow, and simply, like before, you fill it up, giving like 1/4 inch on the top, a couple of millimeters. So let me do this and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, down to our last one, and there we go. Some of them I think I overfilled a bit, so I'm just gonna have to take some out. Like so. And it happens sometimes. If you overflow it, I wouldn't stress it too much, and just take it out with the back of a teaspoon, like so. Okay, this now goes into the fridge for, again, about 20 minutes. And by then the other one should be done almost, and then we're going to cap them both, and then we'll be pretty much done. So be right back in a minute. Here's the other ones. So let me show you the other way. So I don't normally pipe it this way, but I'm just going to cover the whole thing in chocolate, and then we're going to scrape it off. Hopefully we've got enough here to do that. Okay, so with the scraper, you're basically covering up. And it's going to get messy. Making the truffles do get messy. This is the way that I should have done those. And then all you do here, because it looks messy, but you can just scrape it off like so. And you've got to get the sides. Get the sides. And then if you need to, because sometimes you see holes, you're just going to fill in those holes with the chocolate here. And that gives a nice clean, smooth bottom, which is really what we want. And that's it. Right there. This will go back into the fridge. And these both will go back into the fridge. Now you see the difference. I piped this, look at that. I don't want that there. But it's there. This is a bit ugly looking. This is nice and smooth. This is what we were looking for. Goes into the fridge 5-10 minutes, and then when it's all done, I'll be back and we'll give it a taste. All right, let's get the diamonds out of the fridge. And again, you rock it back and forth. Now with these, you see they're coming straight out because I did these correctly. A little tap. There we go. Push them to one side because I don't want to squish them. This is what should have happened on the first round. But I'm going to save those, salvage those, so nothing is wasted. And because this video went on long, I was going to put these into a second video. So they're all done. And you see them, look at that. Nice. They call these a diamond shape. So you put these to the side. Let me use this. Like so. So they can cool off a bit because they just come out the freezer. And we have these. Okay, I'll do some cutting. I'm going to put these into cups. Let those cool off. And since this video has gone on a little bit, let me fast forward this bit. And you just pop them in there. Like so. All right. Okay, so what we need is our famous red tray. Let's load these up. And then we're going to do a taster. And then get these all on here. And remember, these are our coffee ganache chocolates. Gonna be absolutely tasty. Didn't want to stay in that one. Alright. Let's get a kniffy. And before I do that, let me just do these. Do one. So this is a soft ganache. That's what it looks like inside. And it's very coffee. Now, I love coffee. I'm not always a fan of coffee in candy, but these are absolutely delicious. The chocolate ganache is nice and soft. It's not overwhelming, it's not overpowering. And the chocolate really just smooths out that that coffee. Alright, and since these are all busted and broken, this is simply the chocolate ganache. Again, nice and smooth. Nice on the palate. And perfect. We have coffee truffles over this side. Process is pretty simple. Just make sure that you clean out your mold so nothing sticks to it like we had trouble with the chocolate ganache over this side. Again, even though they're stuck in the mold, they're still going to be eaten, and we're still going to repair them, and we're still going to enjoy them no matter what. So this is something that you can make at home. So don't be afraid of ganache because it's not that difficult. 5 ounces of chocolate, 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream, and heat the cream in the microwave. Well, you saw the process. So I hope you enjoyed the show. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Let's chocolatize that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time a new video has been uploaded. That's the right word. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.